Okay, question number 1. A right triangle and two of its side lengths are shown in the diagram. Which measurement is closest to the value of x in centimeters? Question number 2. The diagram below shows the side view of a ramp used to help load and unload a moving van. Which measurement is closest to the length of the ramp in feet? Question number 3. The manager of a car dealership wants to attach a rope with flags to the top of a pole and to a stake in the ground as shown in the diagram. Based on the diagram, what is the distance in feet from the top of the pole to the bottom of the stake? Number 4. The set designer for a play painted some background scenery on a large piece of plywood. He used a 13-foot long pole to hold the piece of plywood together, upright, as shown in the diagram below. What is h, the total height in feet of the piece of plywood? Number 5. Point M is located at 4, 6 on a coordinate grid. Point M is translated 8 units to the left and 9 units down to create point M prime. Which measurement is closest to the distance between point M and point M prime in units? Number 6. Point J, which is -4, -6, and point K, 4, 4, are located on a coordinate grid. Which measurement is closest to the distance between point J and point K in units? Number 7. The daily attendance at a bowling alley was recorded for 15 days. The scatter plot shows the number of lanes rented each day and the number of people who bowled that day. Which statement is best supported by the scatter plot? Number 8. Julie made 25 international long-distance phone calls to London last month. The scatterplot below shows the length and cost of each phone call she made. Which conclusion is best supported by the scatterplot? Number 9. Emma asked her friends for the number of pets they have and the average number of texts they send per day. The results are shown below. Which describes the association between the number of texts and the number of pets? Question 10. The list shows the number of songs that 5 students each downloaded last week. What is the mean absolute deviation of the numbers in the list?